Hi, welcome to the second half of Wareham Free Library, Sharing Christmas with Animals Storytime. First of all, we're going to do our American Sign Language signs. The first one I'm going to teach you is Merry Christmas. Merry is happy, like happy birthday, but it's Merry, and Christmas is a C, and then bring it away from your body. Christmas. Merry Christmas. And then the next one I'm going to teach you is Happy New Year. Happy and new is a palm flat and going up with your second hand. New and year, year. So Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Let's try it again. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That was a hard one for me. The craft we're going to make today is a Christmas stocking for your pets, for your animals. So we're going to give you a template and cut it out with red paper for a Christmas stocking or color it red. I used cotton balls to make the fluffy top. I did some stickers and I wrote ho ho ho, and on the back you can paste pictures of things you might get for your pet. A lot of people get special dog bones, special ropes, special balls, whatever you want to get for your pet. The other thing we have is sharing Christmas with even the wild animals. So we have a coloring sheet with a tree decorated outside and forest animals. We have a deer, a bunny, a raccoon, and a squirrel. The next sheet is a Christmas stocking with a little puppy inside. The third one is the Berenstein Bears making Christmas cookies. And the last is a Christmas snow person with animals outside for Christmas. As you can see behind me, all the books I've placed up here are books about Christmas with animals. Merry Christmas, Big Hungry Bear, Click, clack, moo, ho, 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 hurry, hurry, have you heard about going to the stables? So we have lots of stories of sharing Christmas with animals. And the last thing I want to talk to you are the links we have on our website this week. First, we have a link about the animals connected with Christmas in the stable with baby Jesus. The next site is a site about making 4 easy bird feeders with children so we can feed the wild birds. The third site is making homemade treats for your dog or your neighbor's pet. It's a fun thing to do. The fourth site has crafts, how to make Christmas ornaments and different crafts with kids for Christmas. And the last site is Christmas recipes to make with your children. So again, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you for listening.